Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. Today I wanted to share two new books with you from Kellofaplan. I also bought the books from Verse Planning, but those are taking quite a bit to get here. So I'm just going to share those, and when the other ones come in, I'll share those. If this is your first time joining, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you've been here before, I can't speak. Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. So let's get through this. So this is the rainbow one from Kellofaplan Volume 6. So it's the ROYGBIV. So let's take a look. So we're gonna get some boxes and then some florals. So I'm gonna do the rainbow first. So we have red, and then we have red florals. The florals are on clear, and it looks like you're getting 2 pages of them. Then we have orange, and the orange has a mix of like brown burgundy almost. So same thing, 2 pages of that. There's some blue mixed in, so that's an interesting combo. Then you have yellow. Okay, green. Let's see what she picked for green. Very pretty. Okay, then we have, oh, it's a combo of like blue and green and teal maybe? Yeah, look at this. How stunning, right? I like these a lot. And then we have different shades of blue. It's gorgeous. I like these a lot. I wish like some of the flowers were bigger, but this will be perfect for edging pages, which you guys know I like. Okay, so then we have like full on blue. Then we have purple. Look at that, the different shades of purple, so pretty. Okay, we have pink. Look at all the pink in here. So like springy, I really like it. Okay, and we have one more collection. So this is like a very pastel-y orange. And look at these flowers. I think out of all of them, these might be my favorite. Yeah, these are beautiful. So that is the rainbow book. I know I went through it pretty fast. I tend to talk and go through pretty fast when it comes to flip throughs. So this is the neutral boxes and florals. This is volume 2. I do have the first one as well. Let me know if you guys want to see this again in the video when I do the verse planning to kind of show you how these match, or if you just want the verse planning one. So let me show you right now. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I am loving the neutral one, you guys. Like obsessed. Look at this. Yeah, this is a great book. Look at this. Okay, this is beautiful. So 3 pages. So all of the florals are on clear, all of the boxes are on paper. Look at the gray and like the gold. That's kind of cool. That one has 2. And then you have beige and browns. Whoa! I am loving this. Okay, Heather did an amazing job designing this book. It's just probably one of my favorite books from her. Then we have blues and grays, like very light. So 2 pages of that. I don't know if that one with the 3 pages was a fluke. Then we have the gold and the brown. Yeah, these are beautiful. And then you have black and gold, maybe? Yeah, look at that. Wow. Feel like this is such a New Year's color. I don't know why, but that's what I feel. These are pretty. And then we have more browns. Okay, these are stunning. And the last one is these more of a like pastel tone. Okay, these are pretty. And that is all I have for you guys when it comes to this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know, like I said, if you want me to do be verse planning with this again, or if you just want to see verse planning when it gets delivered to me, let me know what you guys want. I will follow your lead. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'm glad you were here. Thank you, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye!